what is up, guys? Today we are back in the world of Roblox playing Prison Royale again. Now you guys love it and I love it, so let's move back into it. And I see everyone has mostly jumped out, so let's jump out now. What about now? Not first person. I thought first person was a bit better, but it turned out it's not. So, we're gonna over here to the side of things. Anything's going down there that I see someone is already down there, I think? No, I don't think so. So, let's go with, that's not me. That was so confusing. I wanna, will I die if I go on the sand? Shut down. I feel comfortable, and I don't look like spam, and it's emerging. Come on. Land? Can I land? Okay, I landed. On the beach. It doesn't kill me. Let's go in the water. It doesn't kill me. Yeah, it doesn't kill me. That's weird. Well, we have punching ability. That would come in handy in the last video. Yeah. In the last video. But let's make our way over there to it. Wait. Oh, there's another one. Let's go over there then. First. I want to see if there's anything over here that's good. Also, I have to keep an eye out for people. And this water is very calm. I want to be a bit stealthy. If someone catches me, I don't want to be caught like that. So, sneaky. Okay, so straight off the bat, there's nothing in here. Absolutely nothing. No one, nothing, absolutely nothing is in here. Except walls, floor, and ceiling. So, and windows. So let's make our way to another one. I want at least one thing. I don't care if it's a gun with no ammo. I just want one thing. So let's, okay, there it goes. Thank you. I got a book bag, ammo boxes, so let's go ahead and pick those up. Okay. No one's in. Good. Very good. Don't want anyone to be in here. But, so let's apply this book bag to our bag. Ammo boxes, those are for guns. We get guns. These let me get at least one gun. Okay, so nothing's up there except for the lighthouse. I don't think we can go on the wall. So let's just make our way over here. Don't think I could climb that at all. So let's just keep on running towards this direction. And there's a water there. So let's crouch down. Let's go into the water, crouch down. And it's gonna be a long journey. A very long and risky journey. But done. And it's probably gonna take me a light year just to cross this. Okay, let's turn that off. But that shots are going down. Shots are going down. Let's go a little bit faster. I would love it if you went a little bit faster. Just a little bit. Shots are going down. I'm now just noticing I am in the top 15. Oh, that's not good. That's not good at all. Not good at all. Well, it is good, but it's not good because I have a higher chance of dying. Well, a low chance because I'm in the water. So, yeah. Let's make our way over to that building I see in the distance right there. Is there anyone? No. Please, don't worry. Then we might go to the church over there, but let's see what's in here first. Come on, let me. Ooh, I think that, yep, the vest. Let's put that on. Now, I don't think it will show that I'm wearing the vest if I have the poop bag on. I don't think so. I'm not sure. But let's go ahead and put it on our torso. Yep, I was right. Does not show it. And now I'm just looking at who's alive and who's killed. I'm in the top 10. And someone just died. So there's a vehicle there. You know what? I'm just going to the vehicle. Oh, shots are going down. Don't want to be the one that dies. Come on, get him. 2 people are over there. Don't want to go. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Over there. Someone's gonna die. Someone is certainly gonna die. Come on. Don't do this. No. They're shooting me. Run! Oh my goodness. This thing would not touch. He's gonna kill me. He doesn't kill me. Oh, it's a miracle. It's a miracle. There is a God. Thank you. I did not die. No, this thing is slow as heck. Okay. This will take a while. No. Oh, that's not. So there is something here. I want to try to loot it. There's no doubt. No doubt I'm not gonna get a weapon here. I want to loot it. So let's make over here. Ammo box, another ammo box. Those are good. Got another ammo box and a double barrel, I think. Not 100% sure. Then we have another ammo box to go with that. Let's put that as our main. Get the meal. Put the crowbar as our meal. No A, I mean. Keep on saying no because that's how it works. So let's reload that bad boy. This bad boy. There's a ladder there, nothing else. Let's go ahead. I think these are stairs. Yep, I was right. Don't feel comfortable with glass there because someone could shoot me. But nothing here. Next room. A rapid fire one with the ammo box. So let's put that as our make our way over here. Reload this bad boy. Go further up. Okay, I almost got stuck there. Let's do this one first. No, wait, this one. Yeah. No, that's nothing. Don't need that. Nothing on the table. Let's go even higher. If we find a sniper, I will go on the roof. We'll pick that up. Why not? Already have a crowbar. Already have that. Have an ammo box. Let's go ahead. Can that be a secondary? No, it cannot. So, I think I'm just gonna leave that be. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that be. Shots are going down. Shots are going down. Let's go in this room. Don't check this yet. So let's go ahead. And sniper! Just what I needed! A sniper! Thank you! Thank you! We found a sniper. Finally. Oh, that means so much to me, guys. I said I wanted a sniper. It had a sniper. Yes. So, let's go ahead and make our way over here. See if anything's in here. Same weapon. Let's put the sniper as secondary, then that as primary. Then make our way upstairs. Let's go all the way up. Oh, then we're on the roof. Yeah, good sniping point. Oh, I think you have to go first person for that sniping ability. Yep, I think so. Oh, that's weird. Better. No one's anywhere, so probably not the best idea to snipe at this time. But I'm not just noticing there are no barriers that are strengthened. There is no barrier. So that's something. Let's make our way. Go downstairs. Oh, I shot that. Well, this is a real. This one is this one. Oh my goodness. No one's anywhere. I can't find anyone. And that's very annoying. So let's go over here. Change some stuff out. My loadout. Wait. Okay. Wanna put that as secondary. Got a good scope to it. Let's reload this bad here. Let's get in here. No. I think I definitely load do that. Loot that second floor, no, third floor. But I'm just gonna leave that be for now. See if our car's still there. And I think also no, someone's stole it. But who cares? We got another car over there. Let's loot this. Why not? Nothing good here. Nothing good. Nothing. Actually, nothing is there. So, just why is the pieces there? But let's go ahead and. But guys, I'm gonna have to leave it there. Thank you guys for watching so very much. I have to make a part 2 because this was just too long. Thank you guys for watching so much. Thank you guys.